we have multiplication of polynomials. In the parentheses we have different terms, so we will start from the left side and we will go to the right side. First we have to multiply. There's two parentheses, every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis, and the last we will copy. So let me put this in brackets. We have x times x minus 1.5. Next we have positive 2.5 times x minus 1.5, close brackets, and we have to multiply all this term by x minus 3.1. So this is equal, in brackets we will have to use distributive law of multiplication. So x times x give me x square, or we can rewrite that this is x times x one more time. Positive times negative will be negative x. We have times 1.5, and now we have positive times positive. So when we don't have sign, it's always positive. So it will be plus 2.5 times x, and now positive times negative give me negative. We have 2.5 times 1.5, close brackets, and we have times x minus 3.1. So this is equal, in the brackets we will have x times x is x squared. Next we have negative sign, we will write the number, so we have 1.5x plus 2.5x and minus 2.5 times 1.5 is 3.75, close brackets. We have times x minus 3.1. Next we will combine the like terms in the parentheses. We have negative 1.5 and positive 2.5, and we have variables x, so we have the like terms. So the rest we have to rewrite. We have x squared, and now one term is negative, one positive, so we keep the sign of the term which is greater. So 2.5 is greater than 1.5, so will be positive sign. And now we have to just subtract. 2.5 minus 1.5 is 1. And we write the variable x, minus 3.75, close brackets. And we have times x minus 3.1. So this is equal, well, let me rewrite this one more time, because 1 times x is x, so we have, and now I will write the parentheses, x squared plus x minus 3.75 times x minus 3.1. Now we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by x minus 3.1. So let me write this. We have x squared times x minus 3.1. Next we have positive x times x minus 3.1, and next we have negative 3.75 times x minus 3.1. This is equal. So we have now to use distributive law of multiplication. We have x squared times x. Next we have positive times negative, so it will be negative x squared times 3.1. We can write x in parentheses, and again we have to use distributive law of multiplication, so it will be x times x, x times positive times negative will be negative, x times 3.1, and now we have negative 3.75 times x, and negative times negative give me positive 3.75 times 3.1. So this is equal. When we have multiplication, the same base, we copy the base and we have to add exponents. So we have invisible 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus, first we write the number 3.1, x squared next, plus x times x is x squared, minus, and again first the number 3.1, x the last, minus, we have 3.75x, and plus this is 11.625. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have negative 3.1 x squared, and here is invisible 1 x squared. What else we have? We have negative 3.1 x and negative 3.75 x. Whereas we have to rewrite. So we have x cubed, and next we have negative and positive term, the like term, x squared and x squared. So we keep the sign of a greater number. We have negative 3, so it will be negative. And now what we have to do, we have to subtract from the greater number smallest number. So 3.1 minus 1, so it will be 2.1, and x squared we have to rewrite. Next we have negative term and negative like terms. So we keep negative sign, and we have to add the coefficients. So 3.1 plus 3.75 is 6.85 x. We have to rewrite, and we have plus 11.625. This is my solution.